Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the process of changing the blade and clutch on your Thermomix TM21, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for wiping any residues. First, unplug your Thermomix TM21 to ensure safety. Once unplugged, remove the mixing bowl from the base. Next, locate the screws at the bottom of the bowl. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these to detach the bottom plate. Keep the screws in a safe place as you will need them later. After removing the bottom plate, you will see the blade assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any food residue from the bowl and the area around the blade. A clean workspace is essential to avoid contamination and ensure smooth operation. Now, using your pliers, grasp the blade and gently twist it to loosen. Once it's free, lift it out carefully. If the blade is damaged or dull, it's time for a replacement. If you don't have the tools or are unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the blade removed, let's move on to the clutch. Inspect the clutch for wear and tear. If it appears worn out, it should be replaced. To remove the clutch, you may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it off gently. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Now, with both the blade and clutch out, take this opportunity to clean the internal parts of the Thermomix. Use a damp cloth to wipe down all surfaces, ensuring no food particles remain that could affect future operations. Once everything is clean, it's time to install the new components. Place the new clutch into the designated area, ensuring it fits snugly. Next, take your new blade and align it with the clutch, pressing down until you feel it click into place. Before reassembling the bottom plate, double-check that both the blade and clutch are securely fitted. If you're feeling uncertain about your work, don't hesitate to reach out for our pickup and delivery at your home service. No calls, no travel needed. Now, replace the bottom plate and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Ensure each screw is tightened adequately but avoid over-tightening as this may cause damage. Finally, reattach the mixing bowl to the base. Plug your Thermomix TM21 back in and perform a test run without any ingredients. This ensures everything is functioning correctly. If you're still uncertain, remember we provide a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind as you navigate any issues with your Thermomix. Regular maintenance will extend the life of your appliance, so don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance if needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.